Myself, Dr. Sushma Jain, Associate Professor Chemistry, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. Today I shall discuss about the disconnection approach. This topic in Unit 4, Paper 8th A, MSc Final Chemistry. In this topic, I shall discuss about the alkene synthesis. What is alkene synthesis? The synthesis of alkene by any process is called alkene synthesis. Alkene can be synthesized by two methods: by the elimination from alcohol and alcohol derivatives. In this method, the alcohol or alcohol derivative dehydration takes place. The dehydration can be carried out by potassium hydrogen sulfate and or potassium oxychloride POCl3, and by this method only cis alkene is formed. Now, what is the way the alkene formation? The way can be decided by the retrosynthetic analysis. Here, this is the target molecule. This target molecule we retrosynthesized. On FGI dehydration, we get this alcoholic molecule, and we disconnect this molecule, not this molecule. So, disconnection of this molecule at this position between carbon and alkyl group, the disconnection, after disconnection we get R minus and here plus charge positive plus C plus OH. So this synthon C plus OH rearranged in the form of ketone. Here H is removed as H plus, so O becomes negatively charged. Here C plus and O negatively charged from the double bond. So we get this synthetic equivalent, and here R minus, that is the synthon, R minus add MgBr and we get synthetic equivalent RMgBr. So for this target molecule, the starting material, or we can say the synthetic equivalent, is one is the ketone cyclohexanone and one is the Grignard reagent RMgBr. So now discuss the synthesis of this target molecule. Here we take cyclohexanone, the reaction of cyclohexanone with RMgBr, we get this type of the alcohol, which on dehydration we get the alkene. Here the double bond formed at this carbon to this carbon atom by the removal of OH and here H as a water molecule. So we get this alkene. Now another example for retrosynthesis. This is the target molecule. FGI dehydration, we get this type of the molecule and we disconnect this molecule, which on disconnect at position here C and pH and position C and pH. So we can say 1,1 cc disconnection and we get two synthetic equivalent, here pH minus, here pH minus, and by adding pH minus with MgBr we get this synthetic equivalent, and here we get C plus. So C plus OH, here CH2R. For this synthetic synthons, the synthetic equivalent is COET CH2R. So these are the synthetic equivalent for this molecule, and these are the starting material for preparation of the target molecule. This, so the mechanism for the preparation of this target molecule, here we start from RCH2COET. The reaction of RCH2COET with 2 mole of PHMgBr, we get this alcoholic molecule, which on reaction with POCl3. Here dehydration takes place. The hydrogen from this position, this carbon atom and this OH makes the water molecules and eliminated here and as a minus H2O, and we get the target molecule. Our target molecule this, which is retrosynthesized in this reaction. So we can easily form the alkene by this method, dehydration, alcoholic dehydration method. The another example here, this is the alkene which can be synthesized. Here on FGI elimination we get this type of the molecule, and on FGI substitution we get this molecule, alcoholic molecule, and here this connection takes place at this position and we get R minus and here CH2 plus. CH2 plus, or here H removed as a minus, as H plus proton, O becomes minus, O minus and H plus, CH2H plus forms the bond. So we get the synthetic equivalent, this epoxide, and R plus, R minus here formed, which add MgBr. So we obtained RMgBr. R minus here CH2 plus. So R minus add MgBr, we get RMgBr, and CH2 plus reaction with O minus because the H removed as a H plus. So H gives bonding electron to this oxygen atom. So O minus and CH2 plus forms the bond and we get the epoxide. So the starting material for this target molecule is Grignard reagent and this epoxide. So by adding these two compounds we get our target molecule. Now the synthesis of this target molecule, the reaction of epoxide with RMgBr, the ring is opened here and we get this alcoholic molecule. This molecule react with PBr3, the substitution takes place, OH replaced by the Br, and on reaction with tertiary butoxide, here hydrogen and bromine both atom are removed from the, here Br removed, and from here the H as a H plus removed, and HBr is finally removed by the reaction of tertiary butoxide base, and we get the alkene this type, which is our target molecule. So we can easily synthesize these alkenes. Now the alkenes can also be synthesized by the Wittig reactions. One reaction, number one reaction is the dehydration of alcohol and alcoholic derivative, but the second reaction by which the alkene can be synthesized, the Wittig reaction. This reaction gives total control over the position of double bond and have partial control on geometry. So by the Wittig reaction we can easily be synthesized the alkene. By this reaction, firstly Wittig reagent is prepared. The Wittig reagent is prepared by the reaction of alkyl halide with triphenyl phosphine. We get this type of the reagent, which on reaction with base and butyl lithium we get alide PH3P plus CHR here minus. So PH3P plus CH minus R alide is obtained by the reaction of alkyl bromide with triphenyl phosphine. Now the reaction of this alide with carbonyl compound, here RCHO, and reaction of this alide RCH minus P plus CH3. Here the reaction is takes place. In this reaction the bonding electron of this carbonyl compound is shifted to here. So C becomes positively charged and O becomes negatively charged. This positively charged carbon atom react with this negatively charged carbon atom and form a bond here and O becomes here negatively charged. So the next structure, this one is prepared here. This bond, this bond is prepared by the attachment of this carbon to this carbon atom. So here this second molecule is formed, and this in this second molecule here P plus here, and here minus here. So here one covalent bond is prepared, plus between plus and minus between P and O. So we get this type of the molecule, and in this molecule the bond shifting takes place. The bond is shifted to here, this bond between R and O shifted to P and O. So here PS3P double bond O, and this bond P and C between P and C shifted to C and C. So we get here alkene RCHCHR. So by the reaction of Wittig reaction, we can easily be prepared the alkene. Now the olefin can also be prepared by the Wittig reaction, and one another method, which is the elimination reaction, by which the olefin can be prepared. But in the elimination reaction the formaldehyde is formed, and by the Wittig reaction the cyclohexanone is formed when we carried out the retrosynthesis of our target molecule, which is the olefin. This olefin on elimination gives SCHO, and by Wittig reaction gives the cyclohexanone. The handling with HCHO is very difficult. So the best method for the preparation of this target molecule is the Wittig reaction. Now when the elimination is carried out, the molecule is prepared by this target molecule, the HCHO and PH3P plus, and this cyclohexanyl group here PH3P and cyclohexanyl. Then this connection takes place between carbon and phosphorus, and we get this synthetic equivalent, and this PH3P another synthetic equivalent by the elimination reaction. When we carried out the retrosynthesis of target molecule by Wittig reaction, we get cyclohexanone and PH3P plus CH3 here, and the disconnection takes place between P and C. So we say here the P-C disconnection, and after disconnection we get CH3 plus and P minus. P is already positively charged, so P plus and minus becomes neutral. So the molecule obtained PH3P and CH3 plus on reaction with halide ion, we get CH3I. Then the starting material for the our target molecule, this olefin, by the Wittig reaction is CH3I and PH3P, which form this type of the halide, and which on reaction with cyclohexanone gives the olefin. Now by the Wittig reaction, how can the olefin can be prepared? This is the starting material and form the halide, which on reaction with butyl lithium and cyclohexanone form the target molecule olefin. Now what is the stereochemistry of this reaction, Wittig reaction? If the halide contains alkyl group, then R becomes the alkyl group unstabilized, then the cis Z cis alkene is formed, and when R becomes the stabilized elide formation by the R, then AR, COR, C double bond C, then E trans alkene is formed. So by the reaction of Wittig reaction, we can easily be prepared by Z alkene or E alkene by changing the value of R. If the value of R is alkyl group, then the Z alkene is prepared, and when the value of R becomes the AR group, CO group, COR group, or C double bond C group, then E alkene is prepared. So in this method, by the dehydration of alcohol and alcohol derivatives and by the Wittig reaction, we can easily be synthesized the alkene molecules. Thank you.